How to keep unread messages on top on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to keep unread messages on top on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click these 3 points here to go to settings, and then just click this one, chat here, and then click this one if you want to turn it on. And as you see, keep all unread messages on top has been turned on, and if you want to turn it off again, just click on it, and that's how manage it. And it's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.